see. Are we live? Are we live? I think we're live. Barry, I think we're live.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBlood Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. So today is the last day for 2017 to end the year on a green note. So let's go ahead and cover the top stocks that we were trading today as a team. And kind of what has led to our success today, especially when it comes down to trading. I didn't want to make another video with that same title, but this is the third day in a row that we are swing trading UGAZ, and I'm most likely going to cover all my profits today, and I'll break it down for you guys so you guys can all get a better understanding of what it is that we saw, the value that we saw, and what to expect, and kind of moving on forward, the top stocks that we're looking at, some intraday plays as well. But yeah, we have pretty good picks, right, Barry?
Absolutely.
All right, sounds good. So I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can get a little bit of a better understanding of what to expect. I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller since there's someone that messaged me that, hey, do you mind if you get your little person out of the screen? So there we go. I should be over here, so there's nothing over here. I think we should be good. So really quick, and I'm going to answer a question. If you guys have any questions in the live chat, you can feel free to do so and ask them. Just give me, who's that with you? So this is Barry. He's one of my friends that, how long have we been friends for? Almost a year?
Sure. Morning.
Good morning. He brought me Dutch Bros, so that was pretty cool.
Must be longer than that. I've moved out for about a year.
Yeah?
Year and a half.
A year and a half. Okay, so we've been friends for about a year and a half. But he wanted to come today to make sure that we end 2017 on a green note, so that's why we are here. So let's go ahead and start covering UGAZ. Guys, UGAZ is up 6% on the day, and it was up almost 8% when it peaked out at $76.93. If you guys have followed us, if you guys are part of our free community of TechBlood Solutions, it's the second link in the bio if you're not already. We called this one out when it broke above the EMA and it started showing signs of a reversal. This thing was way oversold for such a long period of time that it was only a matter of time for it to start showing signs of a reversal. It's a gas-based ETF. It was so delayed and so many of us were getting so impatient. Some people actually started cutting losses, but that was very unfortunate because in the last week itself, from lows of $50 to the price point that it's at right now, let's say 75 flat, even though it's at 75.35, it has covered over 50% profit in the past week. And that's to put it into perspective. This is for all those that are trying to grow your account on a consistent basis for 2018. Do you have to be trading every single day? Do you have to be, trying to find the best lowest cap stock or anything of that sort? That is really hard to determine. No, all you have to do is to ensure that you understand a pattern, that you understand, the margin of potential profit that a stock has to offer, and to really have an understanding of the risk involved, and to make sure that every single position that you take is a quality position. We had a couple of our traders within our mentorship program that did not take any other position and were simply waiting for UGAZ because of the potential they knew that it had to offer. Again, with patience, with discipline, comes success. And I think that's one of the most important factors for those that actually do see success, is that they're not looking for positions to take every single day. They're waiting for those good deals. Think about it as a tangible item that you're trying to buy and resell. Just to put it into perspective, it's actually going to be today's video at 5:30 Mountain Standard Time. But I just sold my Yamaha R1. I had it for about 3 weeks. I didn't post it for about a week and a half. So in a week and a half, I made $1,000 profit. I really looked for a good deal on the Yamaha R1. I bought the lowest one in Arizona, and I sold it just like the average price that everyone else is selling. Think about stocks like a tangible item or product. When you're trying to buy a stock or when you're trying to buy an ETF, you want to make sure that you're getting a good deal. And it's not about trying to get a good deal every single day. You're trying to find the best deal so you can invest your hard-earned money and ensure that you grow it. And that's definitely what we did with UGAZ. I called out the resistance at $80, so keep a close eye on that. The reason, it's not just because I called it out, but it's because of the previous support that it has here at $80. Do you guys see this? It previously bounced at $80. And like we know, old support levels become new resistance levels. This is something that I covered in the Q&A chat, so if you guys are part of the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library and joined us for our daily Q&A chat, you guys would have heard the question that it was a really good question. Hey, I know the resistance is at $80. Is it worth to hold it for the potential profit that it has left to offer, which was about 3 to 4%, and giving it the benefit of the doubt, or should I, cover my profits right now? one of the most important things that you should understand is that, hey, you've covered 50% profit in the past week. That's exceptional. Now, are you going to risk, a 4% potential for profit for a 4%, potential for loss? You just have to put it into perspective. And what it came down to was looking at it intraday for any signs of a reversal. We're keeping a close eye on the middle VWAP for any signs of a reversal. It did break below it, but then overall, like, it's really starting to consolidate. Realistically, it's still holding below the EMA line, so it's still showing signs of a potential downtrend. So would it be a bad idea to cover profits right now? No, not necessarily. I'm going to cover my profits at the end of the day, but I'm willing to risk it all the way down to $73. So I can see the bottom VWAP there. If it drops below $73, I'll cover my profits altogether. You might be asking, Ricky, why do you care so much about the bottom VWAP? Well, all day today and the previous days before, UGAS performs or reacts very well to the VWAP indicators. I don't know if you can see this, but it stays within the margin, right? From the bottom VWAP to the top VWAP. And when it's scalping up, you can use the middle VWAP and the top VWAP to identify the good points for entry and the good points for exit. That's the easiest way that I can put it. So I want to congratulate all those that were able to take advantage of this set opportunity. Now that UGAS is becoming more overbought because it's hitting $80, does that mean 100% that it's going to show signs of a reversal? No, just like we saw with DGAS, again, the confirmation is the most important part. Until it breaks below the 180-day EMA, that's the confirmation of a downtrend. And that's the thing that I'm going to keep my eyes on before I go to the inverse. And I know a lot of us learned our lesson. Keep a close eye on that and don't go all in, if you don't have that full-on confirmation. Until, people are talking about, hey, is it now time to get into DGAS? DGAS is the inverse ETF. DGAS still has the potential to hit lows of $24. It could even still continue. Why can it not continue to trend down? There's no reason that it can't. Wait for the confirmation. Don't just hope for a potential reversal because of how oversold it is. That's what we did with UGAS, and it came down to opportunity cost. We spent 1 to 2 weeks of just waiting and buying more at the bottom and stuff like that, and it was not the best experience. Be smart, trade smart. Make sure that every single trade that you take advantage of is a good quality pick. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see. Let's see. Is it really freezing? I thought the live stream was much better quality now because I'm using my iMac and not just my MacBook. Okay, so why are you looking in technicals on leverage? So, okay, Sean, you're asking why am I looking off of technicals for what's it called? UGAS itself. One of the things that we were looking at was /NG on when to show potential signs of a reversal, and that was something I covered in my live stream. So I'm not too sure if you're new to my live streams, but we were looking at the gas-based futures and how it was showing signs of an uptrend or a downtrend. Again, you might have your own style of trading. I have my own style of trading. I've been doing well for myself with what it is that I do. So that's why I've been doing what it is that I do. And, obviously it played out very well for us. But other than that, you definitely don't have to use what it is that I'm saying or really make sense of it. If it doesn't make sense to you, then all power to you. You do what works best for you, and that's really just it. One of the other callouts that we had at this double bottom was XXII. It's showing nothing but signs of an uptrend pattern. We called out the double bottom at $2. It's been trending up ever since. I ended up selling mine at $2.84 when it had this peak. It started showing signs of a downtrend, and I actually accidentally removed it from my watch list. Have you guys ever done that, where like it's highlighted right now and you just press a button and then it removes? And I had so many stocks on my watch list that I forgot that it wasn't there. I got an alert yesterday that it went above like 290, and I was like, crap, I forgot about XXII, and it's been trending up ever since. It broke above $3. It offers a margin from $3 to $3.20. I personally think that it's way overbought for the margin of it. Comes down to opportunity cost. It offers there's so much more margin for loss than margin for profit. But if you're risky and you're willing to take the risk for the potential profit that it has to offer, then all power to you. There's nothing wrong with that. One of the other ones that you guys might want to keep a close eye on is one of the ones that you might want to keep a close eye on is XNet. So XNet has been showing signs of a consistent uptrend on the past 180-day charts. Low points overall are $12. High points are about $18. There's definitely some consolidation happening here at $15. So you might want to set your alerts maybe when we break above, $15.20 or whatever the case may be. From $15.20 to $18, it still offers, 17% potential for profit. Just wait for the break above the EMA, that confirmation of that uptrend pattern, and this could be an amazing swing trade for 2018. I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. If you guys want to learn more about what it is that we do and how it is that we do it, then feel free to either join our free group. We have a bunch of people, over 68,000 people within our free Facebook group and Discord group chat. One of the things that I also do want to let you guys know is that for all those that are interested in taking, trading to the next level, is if you guys make your way over to the, Facebook group that we have and click here where it says Learn, Plan, Profit. I have put together a structured lesson library that explains to you everything from A to Z on what it is that you need to know when it comes down to investing in the stock market, different success stories from the different people that are part of our group. We have daily Q&A calls at market open for 30 minutes, weekly one-on-one video calls where I work with you on a weekly basis, and then over 60 videos, 6 hours of just structured video lessons, and you can get a better understanding of everything that's included there. I did do a promotion yesterday for the 24 hours, so there's still 12 hours left. So if you guys use the promo code, I'll write it right here. You guys definitely don't have to, but if you guys really want 2018 to be your year and you want to have a full understanding of the stock market, you can use the promo code GET50OFF, and you will save $50 off the lesson library. Thank you, Charles, for enrolling in the lesson library. So other than that, thank you guys again for everything that is that you guys do. 2018, there's no question, right? It's going to be a great year. One of the things that I love about Barry is every time that I ask him, how's life? Or how you doing? What do you respond with?
You put me on the spot, aren't
You always, or like, I always ask you, like, how's work or how's life? And you're like, just loving life, man. He's
absolutely.
Always so positive. And that's, I think the attitude that we have to have towards, that's one of the things that I noticed.
Even on a red note.
Even on a bad day, you're just like, life's beautiful, or whatever it is that you say, it's always something so positive. So, again, surround yourself, if you have trouble surrounding yourself with motivated individuals, we're definitely your group. Again, that's the second link in the description. If you want to take trading to the next level and just fully dive in and want to work with me on a one-on-one basis, I do put out weekly watch lists, but that's not really what I want you guys, to be sold on. I really want to work with you to build that foundation to promote long-term growth. And that's something that we do within our group. We teach you how to scan for stocks. We teach you how to identify patterns and to build your own eye for value. And that's what I'm here to do. So continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives in your success. And like always, guys, so where's the promo code? So again, the promo code is GET50OFF. And so get 50 off. And don't worry about that / it's just get 50 off, and you will save $50 off the lesson library for the next 12 hours of this video. So thank you guys again, and like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.